be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace roar. Beautiful, please don't hurry.
Maybe just a half a bit.
Put some records on while I pour. Baby, it's bad out there.
See what's in this
Tabs to be
dream.
had out there.
I wish I knew.
Eyes are like starlight now. I'll hold your hat, your hair, it looks real. But if I'm moving
At least I'm
closer,
gonna say that I should
what's the sense of hurting my pride? Baby,
oh, but it's
cold outside. Oh, come on now, Karen, don't you want to just try and cuddle up and maybe get a little warmer? Because I'm in shiver.
We're gonna have to do a little better.
Can I get in on this? Huh?
Simply must.
I mean, I'm cold. It's always cold outside.
The answer is
Baby,
no.
it's cold outside.
Welcome back.
Been hoping that you'd
So
drop in.
nice.
Look out the window at the storm. Gosh, your lips look delicious. Waves upon the tropical shore. Ooh, your lips are delicious. Never such a blizzard before.
Got to
Baby, you'll freeze out there.
so let me
Said it's up to your knees out there.
really
I thrill when you touch my
why
skin.
don't you see?
How can you do this thing to me? Think of my lifelong
At least there
story.
will be bliss.
If you got to hold your hand out, get over that hole. It's cold outside.
Home free, everybody!
Take care of Isabella! Give it up! Happy holidays! Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas! Let's hear it one more time for Home Free and Isabella! You guys have been